Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Come in, take your seat, sit down. That's it? No, we have way more words than those when you are welcoming a patient or a client into your community health center, your hospital, or any facility where you are working. So guys, let us see today what all are the ways that we can welcome and tell a client to take their place in the facility. Once again, this is Jacob John from Tiju's Academy. So just before telling them what to do, what all are the common words that we can add just in front of them? Please, kindly, if you please, if you wouldn't mind. And after that, sit down. Be relaxed and calm. Grab a chair. Be seated. Give your feet a rest. Have a place. Mellow out. Have a seat. Ensconce. Sit back and relax. Ease off. So guys, these are certain words that will help you start up your welcoming process when you are confronting a patient in your community health center or in an outpatient department. Thank you so much for listening to this short video.